It's so cold. I better wear my hat. That's better. I hope the warm bus comes soon. Oh, there it is. I can hear it. When did Bob start driving a bus? Well, never mind. Let's quickly get on. I am riding the bus. I like riding the bus. Do you like riding the bus?
Yeah!
Great! Let's pretend we are driving the bus. Grab a steering wheel and help me drive. Beep beep! Let's go into town. That's where the shops are. At the shops, I can buy a Christmas tree. Let's go! Drive safely, Bob! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round on Christmas Eve. Ho, ho, ho! Santa on the bus goes ho, 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 ho. Santa on the bus goes ho, ho, ho on Christmas Eve. The elves on the bus jump up and down, up and down, up and down. The elves on the bus jump up and down on Christmas Eve. The reindeer on the bus go clop, 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 clop. The reindeer on the bus go clop, clop, clop on Christmas Eve. The snowmen on the bus go stomp, 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 stomp. The snowmen on the bus go stomp, stomp, stomp on Christmas Eve. The penguins on the bus go flap, 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 flap. The penguins on the bus go flap, flap, flap on Christmas Eve. The people on the bus go jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. The people on the bus go jingle bells on Christmas Eve. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round on Christmas Eve. Whoa! We're here! We're in town! Now let's jump off and get a Christmas tree!
Ho, ho, ho.
Follow
Merry
me.
Christmas!
Get your ABC's flashcards at fatcatbooks.uk. It includes big dino letters and small letters as a variety of awesome animals.